Manood ka ng Game 6, babawi Hinebra, promise yan. Nasa script. Yan ang mga sinasabi ng fans. Pero, seryoso to ha. Alam mo ba kung bakit natalo ang Barangay Hinebra nung game number 5? Kasi naman, ginawa na nila nung game number 4. Bakit di nila ginawa nung game 5? At RJ Barrientos, medyo meron lang akong sasabihin. Pero idol kita ha. At PBA, sinuspindi yung ref dun po sa failed call umano dun sa layup ni Cancino that changed the results or could have changed the result of the game of Meralco and TNT. Di sana tuloy-tuloy pa ang bakbakan nila. Sana PBA, ganito na lang. Kasi sa totoo lang, parang may mali eh. And pag-usapan natin yan pagkatapos nitong quick intro lang. Diyan ka lang ha.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Mukhang hindi lang sa boxing ako mapapalaban, pati po sa basketball. Ako po si Pau Salud ng Pauka Sports. Just in case hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, hit mo na rin yung notification bell. Mahirig tayo sa mga usapan ng sports, basketball, boxing at iba pa. Pag-usapan natin ng basketball ngayon. Hinebra ba muna or Meralco Bolts sa TNT? Tapos na yung Meralco Bolts TNT series at 4-1 ang nangyari. Ito muna unahin natin. Hinebra, alam ko mga solid kayo hanggang mamaya panoodin nyo. Mabilis lang to, mabilis lang, promise. Okay. Para sa akin po, ito po ang balita, Ayan, nakita ko sa Inquirer, PBA update, para mas makita nyo. Referee Jeff Tantay has been suspended by the PBA after missing Calvin Oftana's foul on CJ Cancino late in Game 5 of the Philippine Cup semis earlier tonight between TNT and Meralco. Jonas Tirado, Inquirer Sports. Okay, tapos nabasa ko pa na inamin daw umano mismo ni coach, ni commissioner na mali yung call. Handak naman. Woo! Ang sakit na ito. Tapos yung interview na yan, yung gabi pa. Now, here's the thing. Siguro tama naman na isuspindi yung referee. But unfortunately, ang masakit dito, and this is the realization pagkagising mo, kung ikaw yung Meralco Bolts, biruin mo kung natawagan ng foul yun. Di sana you have a new lease on life. Baka mag-iba pa yung ng laro. Pero isipin mo lang, ang swerte, ang swerte ni Cancino is 35 points. Kaya ngayon, napabash din si Cancino na hero to zero dahil siya rin na naagawan na nasupalpal. Ay, may foul pala. Para saan pa yung instant replay? Yung mga crowd nga nakita. Nakita na may foul. Hindi tinawagan. Kahit pa puros Barangay Hineb. Ako Barangay Hineb. Kalaban to. Kahit pa puros TNT. May foul. I mean, ang daming mga committee na nakakita nun. So, hindi nila nakita, na-realize na lang nila bandang huli. Tapos sususpindi nila yung referee. That could have changed the outcome of the game. Diba sa NBA nga may mga replay center. I'm sure meron din silang ganyan na magdo-double check, triple check. Especially if the game is on the line. What can it do now? Tapos ang laro. Although, I would say, talk and text din naman talaga mag-a-advance sa tingin ko. But still, suspension, it put doubts ngayon sa referee, especially when the commissioner admitted. Again, independent, wala po tayong we want to help the PBA and that's why we're giving this opinion. We want to be as objective, as professional as possible, but at the same time, passionate. Sana naiintindihan nyo po. Sana naiintindihan ng PBA, ng kung sino man na basketball fans. It put doubts. Alam ko marami na rin nagda-doubts. Pero it put more doubts when inamin na may ganito. Diba? What could have happened is that if dapat kasi pag may call, tas may review, may replay, dapat 100% sure na sila na wala talaga. Paulit-ulit mong i-replay tapos babawiin mo rin naman pala pagkatapos ni-replay mo pa, pinakita mo pa sa mga fans, di lalong masakit. Yung suspension, what else is gonna be done? Iti-training ba yung referee uli? Sususpindi, babawasan lang yung pera, babawasan sweldo. Doesn't help the referee. The referee is human. Meron talagang mga mali na pwedeng mangyari. And that's why may replay. And that's why may mga official sa labas na double-check referee. To err is human. Di ba? sayang lang yung replay na yan kung pagkatapos yan, ay naisip namin mali pala yung call. Tapos na yung laro. E di hintayin na lang natin hanggang 100%. Sa tingin ko, nag-intay na rin tayo, na-break na rin yung momentum eh. Di ba? Pag nasira yung buzzer nung sa game, inintay nilang maayos hanggang perfectly sure na maayos. Ba't hindi natin pwedeng gawin yan sa ganyang game-changing calls? Especially in the fourth quarter, it should be like that. Now, what's gonna happen to the ref? Is he gonna be put on a seminar? Are we gonna give him other tools? Are we gonna change the process para walang game-changing calls na ganito, na miss call na? So, that's the thing. Hindi pwedeng suspindi lang sa akin. No? So, I hope the PBA can do something about this because we love the PBA and we enjoy watching, lalo na yung mga ganito, mga klaseng laro na, ayun natin yung mga one-sided eh. Pag mga ganito mga close game, ito yung talagang, dito ka makaka-attract ng fans. Pero pag ganyang, yung isipin ng Meralco Bots fans, we should have had a new lease in life kay Cancino. Nasira tuloy yung moment ni Cancino. Possible dahil doon. He could have been trending right now in a good way. Again, yun lang masasabi ko. But let me know what you think in the comment section before I move on to the Ginebra topic. Okay? So, all we want is to have a better PBA. Okay? Let's talk about Ginebra. Ito, mainit naman Ginebra. By the way, the photos, ito si Cancino. Photos is brought to you by PBA Images. Salamat po sa pag-send. Ito yung si RJ Abarrientos. You know what? I love RJ Abarrientos. A very lovable guy para sa akin. Ito yung mga gusto kong karakter. Matapang, magaling, at talagang sumusugod. Take charge. Unfortunately, RJ, di ko alam. Siguro hindi mo naman kasalanan kasi parang nagtatago yata yung mga teammates mo. Hindi mo mapasahan. Ikaw may hawak ng bola. Pag malapit na matapos yung shot clock, di siya talagang ititira niya yan. 'Di ba? So, pero sana he needs to recognize pag hindi maganda masyado yung laro niya. Pero sa tingin ko sa coaching din eh. Baka talaga sa kanya pinapahawak, sa kanya pinapatira. Biruin mo, siya rin na nakatira ng 3-point shot. A shooter will be a shooter. I understand that. But ano yung ginagawa ng ibang mga teammates niya na mas maganda yung mga shooting? Biruin mo ha, sinuwerte din. And think about this, bago ko sabihin sa inyo yung pinakadahilan bakit natalo ha. Think about this. Look at these stats. Pakita ko lang ha. I'm not a basketball expert, but if you look at this, 6 out of 18 si Abarrientos, 33%. 87% field goal ni Thompson. Si Holt, 55%. Si Aguilar, 75%. Si Ku, 50%. Si Gray, 60%. Si David, 37%. Aguilar, 66%. Tapos, 50% si Pinto. Lahat above 50% except David and Abarrientos. Tapos, si RJ Abarrientos ang patitirahin ng 3. Nakascore naman si RJ. So, come on, parang, why? When everyone else is doing great in the shooting, si RJ Abarrientos ang patitirahin. Siguro siya yung pinakamatapang. Nasaan na yung iba? Ba't di nag-i-step up yung Holt? No? Yung Gray. They have good percentage sa shooting. Although 1 out of 5 si Holt sa 3-point line. I mean, I'm just saying that they could have given enough other plays for the other shooters kung malas talaga. So, that is just a question that I have. Again, I'm a Ginebra fan. And ako, wala akong bias. Nakikita niyo ako na supporting, pero kung ano yung mali, kung ano yung sa tingin kong, yun ang opinion ko, that's what I will give. Because we want betterment. So, dapat din mag-take charge yung iba. Hindi lang si RJ. Baksak ng field goal, sila pa siya pinatira. Lamya na nga ng depensa, sinasabihin na nga sina Aguilar na lamya ng depensa. But, again, that's what happened. Yun yung masakit doon. Pero ito ang pinakamasakit. Now, remember, although kinredit ni Coach Tim Con yung kanyang team for effort, the effort will always be there. But we have to be strategic, especially against, we already know, and everyone knows, a much more powerful team. Correct? Now, here's the thing. I'm not gonna show you the last Well, actually, let me show you. Let me show you this one real quick, okay? So I'm gonna show you the last game statistics. And ito yung Hinebra. Rebound 45, 34 assist for Barangay Hinebra. That was the last game number 4. Game number 5, here's the assist. 23, mas marami yung sa SMB. Remember, naalala ko, game number 4, the team played well, the team shared the ball. They did not. So, I don't know if it's a coaching lapse or nagbakaw ba si RJ Barrientos or talagang tumatago yung mga kasama niya pag malapit na. Because almost everyone was shooting well. Think about it. Now, game number 6. And I don't wanna, ayoko nang masyado magano, but hopefully guys naintindihan niyo ibig sabihin ko, and you know how passionate I am when I speak about this type of things. And yeah, and I admit naman na Barangay Hinebra. Pero pag game 6, hindi nag-share ng ball ang Barangay Hinebra. At pag minala si RJ Barrientos, who is looking like the leader, is including Scottie Thompson, yung dalawa, naunahan pa yung mga dapat yung Holt, medyo, I think I need him to step up, and the other scorer sa terra firma pagdating sa Hinebra. Again, although maybe it's the coaching. Maybe ganun talaga yung gustong gawin ni Coach Tim Cone. We do not know. But in essence, they have to share the ball because they win if they share the ball. And everyone was shooting well. If the RJ Barrientos needs to recognize if he's not, but again, shooters will be shooters. Shooter will shoot. Pag sinabi ni coach, shoot mo yan. Kahit ikaw, siya'y gumagawa ng paraan ng kanyang sino ba shot maker or shot creator ng Hinebra? So we should have more. Yung pinakamaliit pa yung shot creator. Diba? So, that's all I can say. But Hinebra, game number 6, is good whenever they're back against the wall. They have to share the ball. They have to have great game kagad first half pa lang. And may pagdikitan yan, mahirap eh. So, kagad, maggawa na kagad na paraan. But let me know what you think, guys. Do you agree with me na kulang sa sharing of the ball? Kaya medyo hindi pinalad ang Barangay Hinebra. And yung kay Cancino naman, kung hindi pala 100% yung tingin nila, dapat, ang tawag dito, hindi pala 100%, dapat, hinintay na nila maging 100% para walang sisihan sa dulo, walang suspension, para saan pa yung replay. Tapos aaminin na mali. Parang kung ikaw yung Meralco, talagang, sakit. I should have one more chance to prove myself. Pausulod Pauka Sports, #1 independent sports voice. Please comment what you think. Lalo na pag umabot ka dito, pa-comment naman ng #Pauka sa mga basketball fans natin. Salamat po. Let us grow this community of basketball sa Paukas 10.